Everybody, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I'm super excited to show you guys how I apply my IGL nails to last up to 14 days. So on the side, it actually shows you the directions of how to put all of the nails on. And on the back, of course, it has the golden rule, which is do unto others as you would have them do unto you, my golden rules, my very cute logo, and then it'll tell you how many nails and the contents that come in the box. If you flip it on the side, it shows you how to remove them if you want to save the nails, and how to remove them if you don't want to save the nails and you want to get them off as soon as possible. IGL Nails, make sure you guys tag us if you buy some. So Camille is actually coming in with old polish on. And Camille's my model for IGL Nails. She's my sister, so I'm just doing her nails to show you guys how I prep the nails to make sure they last long. Preparation is key. So first thing you want to do after you take off the polish is push back the cuticles with the orange stick. They're called orange sticks, even though they're not orange, which is funny. That comes with your kit. And then you want to file your nails on the side, like round your nails off so that they fit nicely underneath the press on. Once you do that, you want to take your alcohol swab that also comes with your kit and wipe off each nail. This helps get off any residue that would keep glue from adhering to your nail and keep the glue from adhering to your fake press-on nail. Very clean. Basically, the uglier your nails look, the better. So now we're going to take the nails and we're going to actually size each nail to her fingers. So there's 24 nails to choose from. There's 12 different sizes. So you want to take out the nails that fit each finger and line them up alongside of each nail, just to get yourself ready to glue. I definitely recommend doing this before you glue the nails on. As you can see, I'm taking nails and sizing them to which finger would match. And I'm doing this on her just to show you guys like how to do it, but you can absolutely do this yourself. I do it on myself all the time, and my nails last, I'm talking 2 to 3 weeks, my press-on nails. Okay, now we have all of the correct sizes for Camille's nails, and I'm going to show you how I actually glue these on. So the glue, this is important. You want to do a very good layer on your entire nail. Not too thick because then it'll get on your skin, but make sure you get a very nice thin layer on the entire nail bed. Not only do you want to put glue on the entire nail bed, you want to put glue inside of the nail. So sometimes a mistake can happen and your glue has dried down too fast and your nail pops off and you need to redo it. So what you need to do is completely take off all of that glue from the nail bed and from the nail. So scrape it off using your manicure kit. Then you're going to go back and re-glue. You want to hold it down for 30 seconds. So another tip, like this is a big tip for me. If you want your nails to last long and you want them to be very durable, put a clear gel coat on top of it. It makes all the difference. Look how beautiful these nails are. And they are heavy duty now. And I'm actually going to be offering clear gel and I'm going to be offering clear gel, and I'm going to be offering the UV light for the nail set. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video on how I make my press-on nails last a super long time. Please check out my other videos if you like this one. Like, comment, and subscribe. Share it with your friends, and yeah, have fun with nails. Check out the IGL Nails website. I've got a lot of cute styles that range from prices $13 to $25. I'd love to see you girls in my nails. All right, see you in the next video. Bye.